Craving delicious, homemade donuts? Discover the best donut maker machine that brings bakery-quality treats to your kitchen. Perfect for any occasion, this easy-to-use appliance ensures evenly cooked, golden brown donuts every time. Save time, enjoy endless flavors, and impress your family with fresh, irresistible donuts in minutes. Number 1. DashMini Doughnut Maker. Experience the joy of creating delightful mini donuts in the comfort of your home with the DashMini Doughnut Maker. Designed for convenience, this appliance allows you to whip up perfectly sized, tasty donuts in mere minutes. Whether you prefer them filled, frosted, glazed, or sprinkled, the possibilities are endless. Its user-friendly design means you can quickly select your favorite batter, be it cake mix, brownie mix, or a homemade recipe. Simple enough for kids to use, it turns baking into a fun family activity. The DashMini Doughnut Maker is an excellent choice for those with busy lifestyles or families with picky eaters. It can bake up to 7 donuts simultaneously, making it a time-saving solution for breakfast, snacks, or dessert. The non-stick surface ensures your donuts slide out effortlessly, allowing for hassle-free cleanup. The compact design ensures it doesn't occupy much counter space, and it's available in trendy colors that complement any kitchen decor. Its sleek look and practical functionality make it a must-have for anyone who loves homemade treats. Whether you're hosting a gathering or simply satisfying a craving, the DashMini Doughnut Maker delivers delicious results every time. Plug it in, and you're ready to create mouth-watering donuts with ease. Add this versatile appliance to your kitchen today and elevate your baking game. Number 2. Jackgold Doughnut Maker. Elevate your breakfast game with the versatile Jackgold Doughnut Maker, a 3-in-1 appliance that combines functionality and convenience. This innovative machine comes with interchangeable plates for creating donuts, waffles, and hot dogs, allowing you to prepare a variety of delicious meals effortlessly. From breakfast classics like waffles to savory snacks like grilled cheese or bacon, this appliance caters to all your culinary needs. The fast heating technology delivers consistent results, saving you time during busy mornings. The non-stick and scratch-resistant surfaces make it easy to release your creations without compromising their intricate details. Cleaning is a breeze, ensuring a hassle-free experience every time you use it. Designed with safety and convenience in mind, this appliance features cool touch handles and indicator lights for power and preheating. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or apartments. Additionally, its lightweight construction allows you to take it along for camping trips, picnics, or other outdoor activities. Store it easily in cabinets or on shelves when not in use, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. Whether you're making breakfast, snacks, or desserts, the Jackgold Doughnut Maker offers endless possibilities. Its stylish design and multifunctional features make it a great gift option for family and friends. Enjoy the convenience of homemade treats with this reliable and versatile kitchen companion. Number 3. Mercucci Mini Doughnut Maker. The Mercucci Mini Doughnut Maker is your go-to appliance for creating perfectly shaped, delicious mini donuts with ease. Crafted with a non-stick heating surface, this machine ensures that your donuts release effortlessly, maintaining their shape and texture. The included squeeze bottle simplifies the batter filling process, minimizing mess and enhancing your baking experience. Baking with the Mercucci Mini Doughnut Maker is not just a task, it's an enjoyable activity. Each batch of donuts emerges with consistent browning, delivering a professional-grade finish. Whether you're preparing treats for a family gathering, a celebration, or simply indulging in a sweet craving, this appliance delivers reliable results every time. Beyond its functionality, the Mercucci Mini Doughnut Maker is a thoughtful gift for various occasions. Its compact size takes up minimal space on your countertop, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. The appliance's versatility extends to its ability to cater to dietary preferences. Use less sugar, fat, and additives to create healthier treats. Get creative with flavors, fillings, and toppings, and explore the included recipe book for inspiration. Compact, efficient, and stylish, the Mercucci Mini Doughnut Maker is a must-have for donut enthusiasts. Transform your kitchen into a mini bakery and enjoy the satisfaction of homemade treats that everyone will love. Number 4. Brentwood Mini Doughnut Maker. Simplify your baking routine with the Brentwood Mini Doughnut Maker, a powerful 750-watt appliance that delivers 7 mini donuts in just minutes. Designed for efficiency, this machine allows you to create a variety of treats, including donuts, brownies, cakes, and muffins, all with minimal effort. Perfect for families, gatherings, or solo indulgences, this donut maker ensures consistent results every time. The nonstick plates are a standout feature, allowing your baked goods to slide out effortlessly and making cleanup a breeze. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or a dessert spread, this appliance saves you time and effort. The cool touch handles add an extra layer of safety, letting you operate it confidently. Compact in design, the Brentwood Mini Doughnut Maker is perfect for kitchens with limited counter space. Its stylish appearance blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor, making it a practical and visually appealing choice. Ideal for gifting, this appliance is a thoughtful option for weddings, housewarmings, or holidays. It's a versatile tool that can turn any occasion into a celebration with its ability to produce delicious, bite-sized treats quickly. Embrace the joy of homemade donuts with the Brentwood Mini Doughnut Maker and elevate your baking game effortlessly. Number 5. Byhip Doughnut Maker. Create delightful mini donuts at home with the Byhip Doughnut Maker, a versatile appliance designed for convenience and fun. This machine allows you to craft bite-sized donuts effortlessly, making it perfect for snacking, hosting gatherings, or entertaining kids. Whether you're frosting, glazing, or decorating with sprinkles, the creative possibilities are endless. This donut maker is exceptionally easy to use. Simply select your preferred batter, be it cake mix, brownie mix, or a custom recipe, and let the appliance do the rest. With the ability to bake 16 mini donuts in minutes, it's an excellent choice for large families, busy schedules, or anyone with a sweet tooth. Compact and stylish, the Byhip Doughnut Maker occupies minimal counter space and complements any kitchen decor. Its practical features include cool touch handles and easy storage options, making it ideal for small kitchens or limited spaces. A thoughtful gift for weddings, housewarmings, or any special occasion, this donut maker is both functional and visually appealing. Enjoy the satisfaction of homemade donuts while controlling the ingredients for healthier options. Add the Byhip Doughnut Maker to your kitchen today and experience the joy of creating delicious treats effortlessly. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.